math video. This is BioMath. We're measuring the populations of a changing group of organisms. Um, P is the parameter inside the object that we initiate. Change of P will be the parameter with the two factors, fecundity rate and death rate. Fecundity minus death times parameter, and then um, we'll return uh, the original population times those factors. Next P um, is the parameter plus the change of P. Gamma is the next parameter over the um, the uh, the previous parameter, the next parameter over the previous parameter. Exponential um, is with t as a input value. So the difference between gamma and exponential, I've had this question in the past where gamma is more of like a linear recursive relationship between populations, and next population over current population is probably going to be um, going to give you a gamma value that is kind of like the slope of rising population, a linear format, in my opinion. Exponential is with t as a parameter, and which is another observation that I have to make, that t um, kind of as a power will multiply populations with the same value or less over discrete steps of t, maybe seconds or years. And then um, instead of just a linear relationship, it's empowers. It's population times population times population, uh, t amount of times. So that's my explanation of exponential and how it's far greater than gamma, and it's more powerful with time. Rate is going to be using the original population, the fecundity, and the death rate as parameters, and um, we return uh, the current population fecundity minus death times um, population um, over the same population times 1 minus the population. And this is the ones that are dying off. And then we uh, divide that by the population minus the next population. So let's say we want the next population for the next t. We're going to use exponential and rate and multiply those two together and turn it into an integer, plus the original parameter. So that's the next p of t. Rate is just like the rate of the ones that are dying off. They're like um it's like gamma over, I mean, gamma times 1 minus the ones that are dead, or the ones that are alive, or the ones that died. Because um 1 minus the param over param minus next p, that's like, what's param minus next p? And then param over that. Um, I could tell you that it is the amount of population in the next p that are born, or the ones that have died. Yes. So there should be